Well, the windows were dated. I mean, they were over 30 years old. And some of them didn't open properly. They had to be propped up with a stick and things like that. So they were in bad shape. They were in really bad shape. And the siding was too. A sales representative came by. They were doing some work in this area. Wanted to know if I was interested, and I said I was. They did all of the siding, the fascia, the soffit, as well as the windows. You know, they were very good. They were efficient. They did a good job of keeping the area as clean as possible. Much of the work was done during 20, 30 mile an hour winds, so you can imagine what that was like. If I saw something with the siding, I would just talk to the supervisor. He made some changes. So when it came time to do the walk down, the small details had already been taken care of. Well, the look of the house is great, and it feels good. We have yet to use our air conditioner, even though the siding was put in the latter part of September. It got pretty warm then. Haven't used our furnace. As you can tell, it's cool in the house right now. We just had the windows open this morning, so it's maintained a nice temperature. We've had several neighbors comment on how nice it looks. I would, and I've actually had a friend ask about it, and I've explained a little bit about the work that was done. I even kept a sample of the siding, of the insulation backing, of the trim coil, and those things to show somebody that might be interested.